Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem that many people face when working with files containing lines of specific number sequences. The problem is that these numbers need to be formatted with specific separators in between them. It may seem like a tedious task, but thankfully there's a solution available that can make this process a whole lot easier. Now, diving into the solution provided earlier, we can see that using the awk command with a specific pattern matching approach can do the trick. The code snippet utilizes a regex match to capture different parts of the input line and then print them in the desired format. By setting the output field separator with VOFS equals : the code ensures that the numbers are separated as required. This clever usage of awk simplifies the task of inserting separators into the numbers effectively. Building on the initial solution, another effective way to achieve the desired result is by utilizing the FIELDWIDTHS parameter in awk. By defining the field widths for different sections of the input line and setting the output field separator, we can easily format the numbers with the specified separators. This method offers a structured approach to handle the formatting requirements efficiently, ensuring that the output is well organized and visually appealing. To wrap things up, we've explored two efficient solutions using awk to insert specific separators into numbers within a file. Whether you prefer the regex match approach or the FIELDWIDTHS parameter method, both provide effective ways to tackle the formatting problem at hand. Hopefully, this has shed some light on how to streamline such tasks in your file processing workflows. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring new ways to optimize your coding adventures. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Keep coding with a sprinkle of fun.